Guys, good day, good day, good day, good day. Today we'll be playing some beats from somewhere, and I did say we were gonna use OBS to do videos, but yeah, but PS60. So yeah, before we start, let's get a good spike, and yeah, 3, 2, 1. I'll be right back. So guys, we're again now. And yeah, so we're gonna be playing some right. So okay, well that failed. Anyway, okay, right back to the video. So I just told you like 2 codes, Terror Treasure and that guy Gift. I've read the only codes I already know. Yeah, I found them up today. And yeah, we'll do a video of turning in the Star Journey one because I nearly finished that. Like, I wasn't trying to do it. I was just playing randomly and I got them all. But it's gonna take a while because I need some haste tokens, and yeah, that's gonna take a while. But yeah, you should subscribe to the Marshall Playz channel today, and yeah. So yeah, see, I just told you all the codes. I just want to tell you that I was going to record a video, so I meant to get these, but you know what, I said screw, I'm not one for a live stream, especially, yeah, well. So we are going to get, yeah, I think we're going to, I don't know, but yeah, you should subscribe today, hey. Right, anyway, right, just, get free cookies if you do it, So yeah, I got honeycomb today. Yeah, I'll be saving up for this, and yeah. Bobby, no, alright, have we completed any quest? Oh, boost tokens, well, we nearly did that. And then it went down the dream, boy. Okay, well, we're gonna just, yeah. Whoa. See ya. Alright, let's go get a field buzzer. Yeah, you should, right, anyways, alright, enough saying that. I can't, I mean, an update came out, like a second bit of update, yeah. And I think they probably just added this hat or something because look how deaf he is, like, oh my god. So yeah, see, you should subscribe to it and yeah, join the Marshall Playz army. Because my sub goal right now is for 200 subs, and yeah. Subscribe today to not miss a live stream or a video. And yeah, because I'll probably do a little bit of live streams, but I will be starting live streaming on January the 1st, okay? Because 1, it's a December, and 2, it's holidays, okay? Christmas holidays. I mean, that's what they call it, like, yeah, off school. Yeah, you can tell I've been grinding. Look, I can fit like over 1 million honey. Oh, sorry, not honey. Oof, like. I will do awesome live streams on this game. This video is about getting the silver star amulet because I can only get that in a minute. I just need to grind to 15 million honey. I will get the golden one because I've nearly hit like 30 gifted bees. I have like 17. Okay, well, I will be turning the festive bee into a gifted one. Yeah, I got that like randomly. But I mean, we need a start screen. And by the time I get that, I'll probably start streaming then. I do have an awesome surprise for when I start streaming, and you won't believe it. So yeah. Well, this is alright. The surprise is not gonna tell you, but it's very special, okay? And it's never been on, and it's never been on this channel. You'll probably love it, but I think it's only for live streams right now. I will make it for videos soon. I tried to do it like right now, but it's not working. Oh my god, lag. I think it's lagging in the server. Oh my god. Right, come on, stop. I mean, I need to talk to YouTube about these notifications because they're pretty annoying, especially streaming. Like, probably people on sub but yeah. I mean, no one cares what's sketchy. You can doubt it. I'm joking. I mean, he has a good channel, but it just gets sick of me, and yeah. Oh yeah, and how was your Christmas day, guys? Good. Cause mine was I got this new keyboard. It's pretty amazing. Oh my god, we only need 3 more boost tokens, 3 more red token boost things. What do you call it? To complete this quest. I don't know what quest this is. I mean, I hope it's the present. I don't know what it's called. It's only limited time. I don't know what it gives. Unless Lamborghini. And just imagine you get another festive bee. I mean, that'll be amazing, wouldn't it? Yeah, I mean this video is the weirdest one I've ever probably. And yeah, I mean I was trying OBS to do this video, but I did do it at the start because I don't want to do the full thing. I mean OBS, it's good to live stream, but not when you do videos because I'll turn that wrong. It was crap. To start. Oh wait a sec. I don't know. Oh, one more. Oh, well, we got that. We just need another red boost token. Like, oh my god. What takes so long, man? I mean, this video is a random one. So, I mean, I'm just gonna think what I'm gonna do in this video on the way. I got to do it all the time. And yeah, you should subscribe. Wait, thanks, Marshall. No problem. Don't know what I did do, but okay. Right. Don't mind me. I'm just doing it for the fun. Is no one gonna get this? Okay, well I'll take it then. Plenty of probably people that can get it, but I don't think they want it, so why not? I mean, other people can get it, but I mean, whenever I want it, I mean, I'll let people do it. Time to fuck off and joking. Roblox won't allow me though. No, what the fuck? Just fuck off. Oof. Wait a second. Oof. Alright, no, right, going to roast people. Holy monkey. We're gonna hit 50 million normally. We're gonna get a beat that. Okay, we did it. Yeah. Come on, we need a red boost token. Why is this lag? I don't get it. Is it OBS? Cause right, I'm not showing you. Spoil surprise, okay? Okay, right, okay. Yeah. You should subscribe. Hold on, let me just get this. Oh my god, it's completed! Thank you. No, I'm back to you. Wait, what's nice? Okay, well. Okay, whoever's quest is it, it's gonna be. Can you buy what? No, you can't. Is this guy fucking thick? You can't buy him. Well, he is my friend, but he is a bit thick because he don't even know what. Is that okay? Right. I don't know if it's mobile bars. Nope. Whose quest is this, huh? And it better not be. Get some. You can buy them. Please don't be Sans Bag, because that's bad. Oh, you fucking kidding me? Okay, that's Sans Bag. You better give me something good. Really? Is that all you fucking got? Is this dude fucking thick? You know? Where you can get him. Yeah, I might ask that. He must know by now. He has Frank. He's probably a pro level. Well, not as good as me, but he's probably at a pro level. How the fuck didn't he know? Oh well. Oh my God. Let's yeah. We just need just loading because I'm thirsty. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. I'll subscribe and joke. I'll subscribe for that. Alright, some people are to bear. I'm burping. Just turn the mic off for that. Benefit happen, boy. I don't know if the face cam's showing because it's on. I mean, the webcam is on, but I don't even know if it's gonna show. Let me see. Oh, it is showing. Oh, the face cam is showing. Yay! Hello. I didn't know. Okay. I mean, that didn't show. Thank you for showing. Bandicam, you actually worked. Thank you. You should subscribe. And yeah. I didn't even know the face cam was on. Okay, I'm like, yeah, I did get the first cam for Christmas. It's not first cam, it's a webcam. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Okay. I forgot what quest it was. Well, we're gonna go get the silver star amulet. Okay. Okay. I was working on. You should subscribe and join the awesome community. I will stream again. I mean, 2 days ago I did stream. It might be 3 days ago. You don't know because this part is uploaded tomorrow. I mean, I have been lazy to work just doing that. It's just a whole load of right there. I don't know how much it's worth for this, but okay, right. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yes! I got. You don't think it was going to keep the old one? I don't think so. Oof. Oh my God. Oh! No way. That is crazy. Oh my God, this is amazing, man. I love this game. I got like everything. I'm pretty pro now. I don't know ever come like this, but oh my God, that is crazy. Start Journey 1, you're gonna be complete. Okay, well, it's been completed. Okay, Brown Bear, thanks for that. Ooh. Okay, I think it must be. This quest must be it, okay? Mantis, we just need some mantis, don't we? Hmm? First of all, I know where mantis are, and they're here. I know the locations where they are, because I've been playing this one for a long time. And yeah, you should play this game, like, it's an awesome game, man. I had like the fire one thing. Where are my bees? Bee them up, man. Oh my God, we just need one more. We just need one more, and then it's complete. Wow. But I can't be asked to go to the other account, so let's just take this one. And yeah, you should subscribe, guys. And yeah, well, why did I go to sleep? I'm so stupid. Let's go. Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome, man. Thank you. Yes, you're available. Thank you, Mantis. Nope. Oh, you're not taking me down, bastard. Oh my god. Can that please be the, I just need one more scorpion for this. Is it this one? Are you fucking joking me? I thought it'd be that one. Alright, I'm so stupid. Let's get all the quests going and then we'll know which one's which, because we need to do this quickly, man. I know it's not polar bear, it must be black bear or something. Oh no, panda bear. Thank you for the 1 million honey, man. That's pretty generous. I'll come back when when I think I should. I mean, this should be it. I'm probably thinking this is the, that bear. This quest must be it, like. No doubt, okay? Oh, it is. Okay, let's go and get Scorpion because, I think we know who it is because it says it right there, obviously. If your one is, then I'll be pretty shocked. I mean, why the hell does that have another person's name? Okay, thank you for that. Tear that down for the sake of it, and why not? Alright, Captain has to go in that town. Let's go in this one. Because I can actually reach him. I don't think I'm not going to go in that, but it's not high enough, okay? Right, alright, polar bear, thank you. At least I'm getting all the honey by this. Oh my god, rip my honey from that. Crystal was not rich until I bloody spent all my honey on. Okay, I mean, at least we got, but look at it, it's cool, it's silver, man. When it's gold, it's gonna match him. Sights on the stars will be out of the book. Right, so whoa. Alright, it better not be that one because it says nah. Well, I don't think that's gonna go there. Blackbird, okay. Dandelion, okay, I'm probably gonna try to do that. It's only 2 million on it, that's not much. I mean, this is how you do it. That makes it more easier. The server's lagging and I hit like it rages me, okay? Right me, okay? You better subscribe for this. This fucking lag, it's so annoying, man. Remember to smash that like button and join the Marshall Playz army. Right, so we're just gonna be playing some of yeah. Oh yeah, and you might be like, wait a sec. Thank you, games. I didn't know those were bloody vicious big. I should have used my ears. Oh, so something that won't be seriously. This is probably a waste of time in it. Maybe. You should subscribe, man. Guys, I was gonna use Bandy. No, not Bandy. OBS to make a video. Is that it? Just 500 honey? That's nothing. Oh, this is gonna get me money, but still nothing. Hello? Thank you, it's much better. Is this mouse dying on me? Is this mouse dying on me? Oh, no. It's not good. Because for the love of God, it can't go flying mid-vid, okay? Yeah, at least I can end the video on my keyboard. Yeah, what? Yeah, I mean, you know what's good? This is the worst time to do it from the over there. But right, no doubt it's this one. No doubt this is the one. Gotta be. Come on. This one's too easy. No one's gonna go for this one. If any other people come, then that's good. If they come and swipe and take the how many things, I don't know. I mean, that can happen, but not since no one's here, then why not take it? Oh, look, some games you're just gonna take it. Okay, well, okay, take it. And we're gonna leave because I mean that's just trashing it. I mean, just imagine we can pull out a diamond spell. Yeah, I saw that earlier, but I couldn't take it down. I did take a golden sprout down. That's cool. Oh, guys, you won't believe this. You won't believe this, lads. I can go in the gummy bear now. Look, see, look, it shows a different thing than the other goo shots. I think it's because I needed this wand or something. Yeah, I finally got in. I mean, yeah, I know. I will be getting like a mask, a bear mask in this crowd. I will live stream it probably if it hits January. Probably will. But if we go free, look, I got this for 75 million honey. So that was about all money I got today, and I spent it all today. Okay. So, alright, Crystal. Oh wait, what's the frame? Let's see. No. The freaking noob, right? Alright. So we're gonna well, I don't know what I'm doing, so we'll be getting this thing. I mean, we did have all the items until I spent all. Well, I had these things, but you know what I'm gonna do? I have to do it. So it's gonna be 21 of them I need to have. 21. Are you being serious? What is it that you want, huh? No, it's not raw jelly. Oh, right, it's not raw jelly. It's 400, man. Okay, raw jelly. Must have some raw jelly. 90, what? That's crazy. We should have spent that 70 million, not 70, 50 million honey on another house because this is not. Oh, okay. I was like, what the hell is that? Is that a new bee added? Yes, it's that bee, but I wouldn't expect it was that fast. Okay. A permanent item that always transform bees into you. So if we accidentally get rid of the vicious bee, we're allowed to get it again. I should subscribe. Oh, I don't know. Alright, we are gonna give one present to a bear. Shall we give it to this dude? Nah. Let's give it to Panda Bear, hoping we can. We do have a present, so I really want to give it to Panda. No, don't want another one, don't want another. Oh, you're fucking. If I have another present, can I just give it to a bear? Unless you can't give it to the same one, I don't know. Better not be like that. You're fucking me right now. second. Let's go over again. Oh, yeah, what? Let's try with... No, we're gonna try them. Unless we can try with Mother Bear. No, that's not Earth. Why not to visit to level 9? That's just... Whoa. A bit of a pain in the ass, isn't it? Huh? Wait, what? Why does it go this high? Like, is there a reason? Or maybe, I don't know why I don't put gifted, because that could be wrong. Right, alright, we're gonna get 10. And why not summon the sprout? Let's go get a magic beam. Where are they? There you go. Boom. Right. It has to be a crap. I don't want to take it down, but I've no choice because it's in my field. Get out of my field, boy. They better not swipe in and take my bloody stuff because I took it down fair and square, and what they do, sit on their asses and watch and swipe in and take my fucking shit. I don't think so. It's time to go. We're gonna need a van. Surprised greedy bastards do not get. Oh, you've been serious. I need some more jelly. I'm gonna try to get some raw jelly. One more time. Oh, that's gonna do it. Oh, raw jelly. Screw the other crap, I won't get over that. All I need is raw jelly. There is... Just need raw jelly. Oh my god. An epic sprout? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh my, okay. That's alright. That's it. About sauce, about sauce. What is that? Let me just see the... Whoa. How much do we need? I'm gonna end, and before I do, I just want to show you my lovely new gaming keyboard for I got for Christmas. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. I'll probably make a vlog video. But, so, you should subscribe to the vlog channel, link in the description again. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, lads. Remember to put that like button. And peace out, everybody. Boop.
Models popping bottles.